All right, so let's check conditions out on the roads.
AJ Burnett is in the storm tracker on Route 24 South near Avon Brockton area. What are you seeing where you are?
We're actually further south than that. We're down at the interchange of Route 44 down in the Rainham stretch, and this is what it looks like out the dash cam right now. Slow going. We just passed a bunch of cars that were off the road or stuck on the road. Look, you know what? I was knee-high to a grasshopper when the blizzard of 78 hit. I've seen the pictures from 128. It's not quite to that magnitude, but kind of think of that when you saw the number of cars that were kind of pulled off to the road. There are tow trucks that are trying to keep up with all of this demand. People just getting stuck. I will tell you that here in Storm Tracker, this is an 8,000-pound vehicle, nearly 8,000, four-wheel drive, low. This thing does not go anywhere. When we're on ice, we do really well. We got stuck twice and had to dig out coming out of the Route 24 rest stop. We are about to get off 24 right now and get on to 44, and we're going to see. Let me go back over to the dash camera here. We're going to see exactly how we do here, because this is an off ramp and they're the ones that are even worse than the actual highways. Actually, I got to tell you, so far so good on this stretch here. I wonder if there's a plow that's just been down here. You can see some police lights here as well. Looks like another car stranded in a snowbank. Maybe it didn't take that curve too well. I see two cars here now with state police on scene. Yeah, there's no way he's getting out. There's another minivan behind that stuck in the snow, and you can see how deep that snow is too. I mean, that's up to his grill. He's kind of stuck sideways in there. I'll tell you what, this car up here better make up its mind, because we don't want to stop. We want to keep going. All right, there, you figure it out. We're going to go left here, by the way. All right, so
Follow this car?
Yeah, follow that car right there, Nick. Nick is doing an awesome job driving right now. These are some of the worst conditions that I have been a passenger in my nearly 25-year career, and I've been in a lot of these storms, and this one in particular, at least in this area, has got to be right up there in terms of some of the worst driving and some of the worst road conditions that I've ever experienced covering storms on the road. We're south of town. Again, you've been hearing the reports, well over 2 feet in some areas, and it's still coming down. And the wind at least seems to have let up maybe a little bit. We're still getting those high gusts as well. And peek over my shoulder here. We're 25 degrees. That's the other thing that I didn't hear if Mike was talking about this, but the temperature has really dropped down here. A little while ago, a couple of hours ago, it was about 30, 31, 32 degrees. And so we were getting that pasty, wet snow and just a lot of it. So far, now we've seen the temperature drop by about 5, 6, 7 degrees, and that's leading to a fluffier snow right now. That doesn't help, because there's so much of it, and there's that layer of real thick stuff at the bottom. The cars are just getting stuck left and right down here south of Boston.